Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and read files in Windows 11 File Explorer without opening files. In Windows 10 or 11, you can view the contents of images, documents and videos without fully launching their applications using built-in tools. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the File Explorer by pressing Windows logo key plus E. Then click on the View tab at the top of the File Explorer, and then from the drop down menu go to Show section and select the Preview pane like this. Once enabled, then select any supported file. It will display its contents in the right side panel like this. If you want to disable this preview pane, click on View tab at the top of the File Explorer, and then from the drop down menu go to Show section and select the preview pane. That's it. Also, you can use keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus P key to instantly toggle the preview pane on or off like this. Then use the arrow key to select the files. It will display its contents in the right side panel like this. You can choose any files, then you can see the contents in the right side panel. This is the standard native method to see file contents without opening applications. That's it. Next is change icon view size. If you only need to see different size of images or videos frames, you can adjust the file's layout. To do that, open the File Explorer, then click on View tab at the top of the File Explorer, and then from the drop down menu go to Layout section. You can see here and choose whatever you like: large, extra large, medium or small icon. You can choose any size and then you can see the difference like this. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.